Hello children, good morning. Happy day students. So this is class 7 mathematics chapter 2 fraction. So this is part 2. Already we have seen part 1 types of fractions. In the part 2 we are going to see addition of fractions. So how we can be add the fractions. So we have a certain rules to adding the fractions. So what is the first rule? To add fractions together, denominator should be same. So the denominator should be same, then only we can be add the fractions. Now I will be show you one example, which is 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So can you see the 8 and 8? The denominator is 8 and the other fraction denominator is also 8. So the denominator is 8. So we can be easily add with the numerator. What is the numerator? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is the numerator. So when we are adding the numerator, which is 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? It's a 3. So 3 by 8. So like this is the like fraction. We can be add the addition of fraction. Now let me move to the subtraction of fractions. So the subtraction also it's the same like the addition, but only the thing the operation we have to be changed. So in this also we have to be the denominator should be same, then only we can be subtract. I'll be show you one example. So see, the first fraction will be 3 by 8, this next fraction will be 2 by 8. So can you observe the denominators are 8 and 8. So we can be subtract easily. So what is that numerator? 3 and 2. So now we can be subtract 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is a 1. So 1 by 8. So this is the main thing for addition and subtraction. Now let me show you the rule. What is that rule? So when we are adding the subtracting, the denominator should be the same. When we are adding and subtracting, the denominator should be the same, then only we can be add or subtract. So if we want to be simplify, we can be simplify. If we don't want to simplify, we no need to simplify that. Let me move to the subtraction with the common denominators, different denominators. So if the different denominators, so we have seen already the previous slide, the denominators was same, but in this slide the denominator should be a different. Suppose the denominators is different, how can we add, how can we subtract? So first of all we have to be take the LCM. First of all we have to be take the LCM and make the denominator as the same, then we can be add or subtract. So I am going to solve some problems on the board. Let us moving to the board. Now I am showing the addition problems on the board, the workout problems. So the first problem is add. So as you see the two fractions, both the denominators are same, 15 and 15. So both the denominators are same, we can be add easily the two fractions. So what is that numerator? 8 and 6. So we can be add 8 and 6. What is 8 plus 6? It's a 14. If the denominator is same on the two fraction, we can be take it as in the denominator. And the numerator alone we have to be add, which is 14 by 15. So this is the addition of like fractions. Let us moving to the addition of unlike fractions. So we know that the unlike fraction is denominator is different. Denominator is different. So what we can be do? How can we add if the denominators are different? So I already informed you the LCM. We have to be take the LCM for both the denominators. What is the LCM of 10 and 5? So I have given you how to do the LCM. So what is the denominator? 10 and 5. So write the 10 and 5. So which is possible to divisible in a 10 and 5 in the same table? 5 table. So in a 5 table 10 will be 2 times. In a 5 table 15 will be 3 times. So what is the LCM? 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. So the LCM of the two denominators will be 30. Now we have to be equalize the denominator. We have to be equalize the denominator, then only we can be add. So how can we equalize? So 3 by 10 is equal to, so which number we can be multiply with the 10? It will be equal to 33. So 10 into 3 is equal to 30. That same 3 we have to be multiply in the numerator. What number you are multiply with the denominator, the same 3 we should be multiply in the numerator. So 10 3s are 30, 3 3s are 9. So first fraction will be 9 by 30. Let us moving to the next fraction, which is 8 by 15, right? So in this 8 by 15 also, we have to be equalize the denominator, which is 30, right? So how can we do? Which number we can be multiplied with 15? It will be in a 32. Yes, 15 into 2 is equal to 30. That 2 should be multiplied with the numerator. So 8 2s are 16. 16 by 30. Now 9 by 30, 16 by 30. We equalize the denominator. What is the thing we have to be do? Addition. So we have to be add this fraction and this fraction. These two fractions we have to be add. So 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16. Denominator is 30. So that same 30 you can be right. So what is 9 plus 16? 25. The 30 should be here. So if you are able to simplify, we can be simplify. So 25 by 30. So which table we can be simplify in both the numbers? 5 table. In a 5 table, 25 will be 5 times, 30 will be 6 times. What is the answer? 5 by 6. So the addition of 3 by 10 plus 8 by 15 is equal to 9 by 6. So I hope you understand this addition of like fraction and unlike fraction. So now we are coming to the subtraction. Subtraction 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. So as you see, the denominators are same. So 9 and 9. The denominators are same. We can be subtract directly the numerators, isn't it, children? Yes. So 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. So the denominator is the same. Write the denominator as a 9. What about the numerator? 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will be 2. It's a 2 by 9. So the subtraction of these fractions will be 2 by 9. Let us moving to some addition and subtraction. It's a mixed. So addition also there, subtraction also there. So this is simplification. We are going to simplify this problem. So as you see, 9, 12, 2. So all the denominators are same or different? Yes, it's a different denominators. It is not the same. So 9, 12, 2 is a different denominators. What we can be do if it is a different denominators? Yes, we have to be take the LCM. We have to be take the LCM of 9, 12, 2. So how can we take LCM? Everybody know that how should we do the LCM, as you have seen in the previous problem also. So the LCM of 9, 12, 2 is equal to 36. We got the LCM 36. Now we have to be equalize the denominators as a 36. So here 9, 12, 2. Instead of 9, 12, 2, we have to be equalize the denominator as a 36. So how can we do? See here, 5 by 9, this is the first fraction, 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is equal to, which number we can be multiply with the 9? We are getting 36. Tell me children, which number we can be multiply with 9? It is equalized to the 36? 4. Because 9 4s are 36. That 4 should be multiplied in the numerator also. What you are multiplying in the denominator, that thing will be multiplied in the numerator also. So 9 4s are 36, 5 4s are 20. And similarly 7 by 12 also. Which number we can be multiplied with 12? It's a 12 into 3. So 12 3s are 36. That same 3 we can be multiplied with the numerator 3. 7 3s are 21. Similarly 1 by 2 also. Now we equalize to the denominator. 36, 36, 36. So 36, 36, 36, all the denominators are equal. Now we have to be subtract or addition according to the signs. So let us moving to here. The first one will be 20 by 36. And next one will be 21 by 36. And the last one 18 by 36. Already the denominators are same. But according to the sign, we have to be add or subtract. So write the denominator as the same, 36. Numerator 20 minus 21 plus 18. Now this is the positive term. This is also a positive term. So we have to be add the positive term. What is 20 and 18? 20 plus 18 will be 38. So this is alone, it's a negative term. So minus 21. If you are subtracting this 38 minus 21, which will be 17 by 36. So if we are able to simplify, we can be simplify. If you are not able to simplify, just you can simply leave that. So the answer for the simplification fraction will be 17 by 36. So I hope you understand the addition and subtraction of fractions.
In the next video,
we can see multiplication and division of fractions. Until then, bye bye children. Thank you so much.